Hi learners, and welcome to your Natural Sciences and Technology lesson. So our topic for Natural Sciences is still energy and energy transferred. In your work pack, it says that you need to cut and paste the following notes in your NS books. Then you need to read and learn the notes. Thereafter, you need to complete Activity 5 on page 115 of your NS textbook. And you need to do the questions and answers. Let's take a look at the notes that you need to copy and learn. So our topic for today is energy from the sun. The sun gives us light and heat. Light and heat are two types of energy. Plants change light energy from the sun into energy that is stored in food. Animals get the energy they need by eating plants or other animals for food. In this way, energy from the sun goes to plants and then to animals. Energy is transferred from the sun to plants and from plants to animals in a sequence called the energy chain. This transfer of energy happens in a food chain. A food chain is also called an energy chain. It shows the order in which energy goes from the sun to a plant and then to an animal. Here's an example of an energy chain. Remember, an energy chain is also known as a food chain. So in an energy chain, arrows show the direction in which energy goes from one part of the chain to the next. So as you can see here, the energy from the sun is used by the grass. The grass uses this energy to make its own food. The cow then eats the grass and uses this energy from the grass to produce milk, and we then get milk from cows, which we receive our energy from. So can you see how energy from the sun has been transferred all the way to the grass and then to the cow and finally to us? In our next example, we can see that the energy is being transferred to the plants. The plants use this energy to form or produce food, and the earthworms feed on the plant. So the earthworms gets its energy from the plants, and finally the birds feed on the earthworms, of which it gets its energy from. So this is how energy flows from the sun throughout the food chain or energy chain. Now let's look at some keywords. Transfer of energy. This is the process by which energy goes from one part of an energy chain to another. Energy chain. An energy chain is the order or sequence in which energy goes from the sun to a plant or animal, as we discussed. Now you will refer to your work pack to guide you as to what notes you need to cut and paste into your NS book and what activity you need to complete for today. This is the end of Monday's Natural Sciences and Technology lesson. Until our next lesson, goodbye learners.